Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and today I'll do a test fit along with a quick look at the Ringke cover case, slim case as they call it, for this watch. Now it's labeled as the Watch Ultra, the first one, but because the build hasn't changed whatsoever, the previous ones will work with the new one. So let's open it up. Looks like I need to cut into it. Or I don't. Oh no, I do. It's on the sides. There we go. And there we go. So now I should be able to pop it open. There we go. Inside we got two different cases, as you can see. So here we have a clear one and a one that fits a little bit more with the original aesthetics of this watch. So a bit more silverish. Now one thing that I see right off the bat is the buttons right here do have a cutout around them to make them easier to press, but they are holding just on a slither of plastic right here, which if you think about it will probably break after not that long. And this one is a little bit better. No, never mind, it's the same design. Anyway, so to put it on, we don't actually need to take off the straps like some other ones. So let's see how to put it on. So I assume we're just gonna go from here, just kind of, yep, there we go, plop it on, and that's it. Fits pretty well. I do have a tempered glass on this watch, so it doesn't interfere with that at all. And again, pressing the buttons, you can press them without a problem. As most of the cases for this watch, when you have any kind of case on it, rotating your crown here is a little bit more cumbersome, so it's not as nice as it is without it. So this was the clear one. Now let's put on the silver one. That didn't sound too well. Now additionally, this is just looks to be a painted plastic, so the color from it will start to fade over time. So again, that's something to note when buying this for its color. And here we go. So it's on. Now the shade of this case, the color of it, is a little bit more brownish towards like the poop color, rather than the actual default one that this watch comes with. So it's trying to look similar to it, but it's a little bit too darkish for it. But still fits pretty well and looks better than the clear one, I would argue. Assuming the plastic doesn't start to, wear off and you won't be seeing the white plastic under it. So there we go. Those are the two cases that come provided with this Ringke slim case. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.